2417 Como, one more picture of the interior with, from kitchen, you have a dining room, kitchen, stairway going up to 3 bedrooms. This is the living room, and there is a door right there to one of the bedrooms, and then there's the second bedroom on this level through the kitchen and the hallway there. And then upstairs, you've got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So that is the sum of it. Thank you. 2417 Como Avenue. Here is the main floor. Living room, you've got the dining room. Actually, there's the kitchen. Here is the dining room. Stairway going up. Living room on this side. And then you've got one of the bedrooms here. You've got some older hardwood floors in here, some vinyl plank in there. One of the bedrooms, the view of Como Avenue outside. And that's it. Okay. Okay, 2417 Como. We've got the kitchen, which has a bar and breakfast bar area and a bar. Going to the dining area, but off the kitchen we have a pantry that's quite large, broom closet, very useful, down a couple of stairs to a slab area. We got a washer dryer, a pretty empty closet, another room which has heat. It's on a slab, it's got an egress window, qualifies as a bedroom, and a big closet area there. Looks like it has its own supplemental electric heat. And then you still have a 2-car garage. So they borrowed something from the garage maybe, because this area is on the same level as the garage. It probably used to be a mudroom, which you still have access for a cook closet there for a mudroom. Cool, that's it. Oh well. Upper level, 2 bedrooms, 1001 side. Here is one of the bedrooms. Nice big window. It's a vinyl replacement window. There's a closet with 6-panel doors, 6-panel doors in the hallway. These are nice solid wood doors. Bathroom is here. There's a separate little room with the toilet. There I am in the movie, the sink. And the shower has ceramic tile. So the second bedroom is also unmade. Sorry for the mess, but here it is. And that's that. Basement of Como has a big unfinished, could be family room. Wow, this one has an egress window. And then here is a sheetrocked finished ceiling, lack of carpeting room. It has a heat vent up there. So a whole nother room. So this is the 1011 side, the 3-bedroom unit, and it has the living room, hardwood floors, and then newer looking vinyl. This is the front door entrance. All the doors are solid wood, 6-panel doors. This is a half bath on the main here, and then here is the kitchen, which opens up to the dining room. And I'll show you just a little bit of the dining room as someone is sitting at the table eating, but there's a nice big window, replacement vinyl. Okay, that's it. So here's the basement of the 3-bedroom side of Como. And this is considered a 3rd bedroom, even though the door is really up the stairs. There is a large bedroom, egress window, large bedroom. That's a furnace room at the end of there. Hello, cat. Then there's another family room. We've got like parquet flooring here. There's no bathroom on this level, and it circles around. There's some shelving, and there's the other side of that bedroom. So that's the basement of 1001, I'll call it, the 3-bedroom side.